What's the meaning of auto-rickshaw? Auto-rickshaw. Auto-rickshaw.
Auto-rickshaw. Auto-rickshaw. An auto-rickshaw is a motorized vehicle used for public transportation, mainly in urban areas of South and Southeast Asia. It is also known as a tuk-tuk or three-wheeler. The term auto refers to its automated engine, while rickshaw refers to a type of cart that was pulled by a human. Auto-rickshaws are popular due to their ability to navigate through narrow streets and congested traffic. They are typically small, open-air vehicles with a seating capacity of 3 to 4 passengers and can operate on a fare or meter system.